Looking to harness the power of Stripe for your payment processing? Paymattic makes it easy. This fantastic plugin seamlessly integrates with Stripe, letting you accept secure payments with ease. Whether you're testing transactions or going live, Paymattic has you covered. First, head over to the navigation bar and press on the Payment Gateway tab from the Paymattic dashboard. Now that we are on this page, on the left side, the first tab we can see is Stripe. On the Stripe settings page, we have two modes we can switch between using a radio button: Test Mode and Live Mode. Head over to your Stripe account to grab the keys you need for Test Mode. Once you're logged in, click on the Developers tab and then navigate to API keys. Make sure you toggle the switch to view test data. You'll see your test publishable key and test secret key. Copy both of these keys because you'll need them in a second. Now get back to your Paymattic window and paste your test publishable key and test secret key into the respectable fields. Next, enter your business name. Want to send form input data to Stripe as metadata? Just enable the Stripe metadata option. This can be really useful for keeping track of extra details about your transactions. And that's almost it. You've set up Stripe in test mode. When you're ready to go live, just set it up the same way. When you're satisfied with this setup, make sure to save settings and you're good to go. That was all. Now, customers can pay effortlessly, letting you focus on what you do best, whether that's growing your business, creating incredible content, or simply enjoying a well-deserved break.